Hi and welcome. My name's Tolan and I'm the co-founder of Productivity Me. In this video, we're going to look at the keyboard shortcut of Ctrl-Shift-0, which will allow us to unhide specific columns within our worksheet. So with that, let's get started. I'm going to open up Excel, and in our last example, we looked at how to hide individual columns. We hid columns A, B, and C. The way that we hid a column was by putting, let's just use an example of text. We selected that column and then pressed the Control key and the 0 key. That would hide any individual columns. If we want to bring a column back, we could select the two columns that are on either side of our hidden column. So if we want to bring back column E, we would select column D and column F, and then we would press the Control key, the Shift key, and the 0 key, and that would bring back column E. Now, it's a little bit more difficult if all the columns to your left are hidden because it's difficult to then select the other items. The way that you can get around this is by hitting Ctrl A and then Ctrl A, selecting all of your cells, and then pressing the Control key, the Shift key, and the 0 key. Pressing the combination of the Control key, the Shift key, and the 0 key would then unhide all of your columns. So again, if we were to hide this, we could hide it by pressing Control 0, and if we want to unhide it, we would select column C, column A, and then press Control Shift 0. Alternately, if this column was hidden, we would go ahead and we could select these. Maybe we actually deleted it on accident. If this column was hidden by pressing Control O rather than Control minus, we now have a hidden column, that of column B. We could select this and we could go to Format, Hide, Unhide Columns. And that would unhide that column. Alternately, if we had multiple columns which had been hidden, we could select both sides, go to our keyboard, press the Alt key, the H key, the O key for Format, U for Hide, Unhide, and then we're going to unhide our columns. So we're going to press the L key, and that would unhide the items. So again, in this video, we looked at how to unhide individual columns. If that column had been hidden, we would select the columns on both sides and then press Control Shift 0. Alternately, we could come up here and go to Format, Hide, Unhide. If there were columns to unhide, we could then select that one right there. Or let's say that this column had been hidden. We could come here. We go to Format, Hide, Unhide, Unhide Columns, but we can actually use the keyboard shortcut or the keyboard strategy of Alt, Home, O, U, and then unhide columns by pressing L, and that too would unhide our column. So in our next video, we'll look at how to hide an individual rows as well as multiple rows. So check that out in our next video. Thanks for watching.